Welcome to the Apogee Agency channel. I'm Greg Hoffman. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, if you want to understand how other people are making money online, if you want to watch interviews with affiliates, merchants, managers, and thought leaders in the affiliate industry, then please subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Here are some of the brands we work with on a daily basis. All these programs are exclusive to the ShareASell network. We want to introduce you to affiliate managers and merchants that care about you. We really do exist and want to help you. We'll be adding videos including interviews, group chats, and best practices. Each week, we'll have new videos for you to choose from. Since early 2017, we've hosted video conference chats with dozens of affiliates called Apogee Live. This is where they get to meet affiliate managers and merchants and ask them anything. Our personal interview series is called Affiliate Voices. Daniel M. Clark and I will interview the best and brightest of the affiliate industry. We'll keep these conversations short and to the point. The Apogee Education Series is where we dig into the hot topics of our programs and teach best practices. We want to help you be better affiliates. You'll learn how to use the network interface, how to review products, and how to increase your commissions immediately. Our screencasts will teach affiliates everything they need to know for great promotions. We'll take you inside the affiliate network interface, show you how to find all the vital statistics for each program, and most importantly, show you exactly how to get links and copy them for your promotions. Please subscribe to our channel and click one of the videos to learn more about affiliate marketing.